Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to modify an SLS quiz to improve its usability. Instead of the long vertical scroll format that can be cumbersome for students, we'll show you how to organize the quiz in a left-to-right format using the Start Resource Ed method. Step 1. Accessing the lesson for editing. Begin by identifying the lesson you want to enhance. Type admin/ at the end of the SLS URL library/ and the beginning of view. Press Enter to access the Unpublished lesson section. Click the Unpublish button, confirm by clicking OK, and navigate to the lesson in the Manage Lessons list. Open the lesson and click on the Edit button to start making changes. Step 2. Starring questions. In Edit mode, locate the questions you want to enhance. Exit Edit mode temporarily to activate the star feature. Star each question in the desired order. For example, Question 1, Question 2, Question 3, Question 4, Question 5. Remember the sequence in which you starred the questions, as this will be important later. Step 3. Creating a new quiz. Go to the top left corner of the screen and initiate a new quiz. Name the quiz, e.g., Checkout, and click the Add Quiz button. Choose the Add from Existing option and select Starred Resources. Step 4. Adding starred questions. Add the starred questions in the exact sequence you noted earlier. Start with Question 1, followed by Question 2, and so on. If the questions are not added in the correct order, delete them and try again. Step 5. Verifying and adjusting. Check that the quiz reflects the same order and answers as the original quiz. Compare the new quiz with the original to ensure accuracy. Step 6. Deleting the old quiz. If the interface becomes difficult to navigate, use Ctrl- symbol to zoom out and make the screen smaller. Delete unnecessary elements by selecting and confirming deletion. Step 7. Finalizing the quiz. Ensure the quiz matches the original format, including tags like monitoring or feedback. Once satisfied, approve the new quiz and publish it. Conclusion: by following these steps, you've successfully reorganized your SLS quiz into a user-friendly left-to-right format. This layout makes it easier for students to navigate and complete their tasks efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching!